So for a Kia Sedona, to access the spare tire, you're gonna have to go through the back, grab your tools. Here, this tool set will provide you what you would need. This will be used right behind the passenger seat to actually lower the tire here, or you can use a impact wrench, which I did. Then you're going to make sure it's completely loose, and then from there pull it out from underneath. So this piece comes off. You want to make sure you take that off, and then from here you're going to be loosening all of the bolts here. You can use this one here. You would want to use the force maybe of your leg. It's going to give you some extra force to be able to loosen these bolts here. You can use this to pull your bolt back up. Now we're going to start loosening all of these bolts here. It's a 21mm. Usually you would be using this one here that came with the car to loosen. There is a jack back there as well. I'm using this jack, get all of these off, and then you can kick the tire loose, or you may have to use a mallet to get that off. You want to go in a star-like motion to make sure it's all balanced there. So that's all set there. I've used the tool, came with the car. This will go back inside of here. More than likely in your glove box. We're going to put this back here, and then the tire, you can get it plugged or get it fixed at any store. You may want to fill it up with a little bit more air if you have access to air. So that's how you do a tire change in a Kia Sedona.